Here we have two questions on multiplying and dividing indices. If we take a look at the first one, m cubed times m squared, let's see what that means. Well, m cubed is m times m times m, and that's all multiplied by m squared, which is m times m. So if I multiply m cubed by m squared, I get m to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. m to the power 5. A quick way to do that, because the bases are the same, I could just do m to the power 3 plus 2, which is m to the power 5. If I look at number 2, now what does this mean? W to the power 5 is w times w times w times w times w. And all that is divided by w squared, which is w times w. What can we do here? Well, w divided by w cancels out, w divided by w cancels out, and I am left with w to the power 3. Again, a quick way to do this, because the bases are the same, I've got a w and a w, I can take away the indices. So w to the power 5 divided by w squared is the same as saying w to the power of 5 take away 2, which is w to the power 3. Here are two questions for you to have a go at. Press pause and we'll run through those in a few seconds. Okay, if we take a look at the first one, all our bases are the same, they're all e's. So I know it's going to be e to the power of something. They're all multiplied, so I can do it the short way. I can go 4 plus 2 plus 3. So that's going to give me e to the power of 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, e to the power 9. In the second one, I've got f to the power 3 times f to the power 2. That's going to be f to the power 3 plus 2, and all of that is divided by f to the power 4. If I simplify that, f to the power 5 divided by f to the power 4. And I can simplify that the quick way, which is f to the power 5 take away 4, which is f to the power 1. But we don't write f to the power 1, we just write f. Here are two more questions. Press pause and we'll run through them. Okay, for the first one, all the bases are g, and I've got g to the power 4. G is the same as saying g to the power 1, so I've got to add that, and I'm adding another g to the power 2. So that gives me g to the power 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2, g to the power 7. In the second one, all my bases are s. S to the power 7 times s to the power 4, which is 7 plus 4. And all of that is divided by s to the power 5, so I take away 5. That gives me s to the power 6. Those are my answers. Here are a couple of slightly trickier questions. Have a go at those and see if you can figure those out. Okay, in the first one, we want to work out what x is. So we know that t squared times t cubed times t to the power x equals t to the power 9. From this, we can make an equation. What we can say is 2 plus 3 plus x equals 9. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus x equals 9. To get x on its own, I take 5 away from both sides. So x equals 9 take away 5, which is going to be 4. That's my answer there. For the second one, I know that 3 plus y take away 2 equals 7. So 3 take away 2 is 1 plus y equals 7. Take away 1 from both sides. So y equals 7 take away 1, which is 6. And that's my answer.